Welcome to Asyn Code. If you want more coding fun, hit like, subscribe, and let's get started on the next tutorial. The break statement is used to exit or terminate a loop or a switch statement prematurely. When the program encounters a break, it immediately stops the loop, whether it's a for, while, or do-while loop, and continues with the next line of code after the loop. The break is typically used when a certain condition is met, and you no longer need to continue iterating. The continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move to the next iteration. When continue is executed, the remaining statements in the current iteration are skipped, and the loop continues with the next iteration. Include the standard I/O library for using printf. Variable I is used as the loop counter, starting from 1. The loop will go up to 10, and I will be incremented with each iteration. This expression checks if I is an even number, i.e., divisible by 2. The modulus operator % gives the remainder when I is divided by 2. If I is even, the remainder is 0, I % 2 equals 0. Condition to check if I is even. If I is even, the continue statement is executed. Continue skips the rest of the loop body for this iteration. The program jumps directly to the next iteration of the loop. Skip the current iteration and move to the next I. This condition checks if I is equal to 7. If I becomes 7, the loop is stopped using the break statement. Print a message to indicate that the loop will stop when I reaches 7. The break statement stops the loop immediately. It exits the loop, and the program continues executing the code after the loop. Stop the loop entirely when I reaches 7. Print the value of I. This will only print odd numbers due to the continue statement. The value of I is printed if it is odd, since the loop skips even values. After the loop ends, either by completion or break statement, print this message. This shows that the loop has finished executing. Now run our code. I appreciate all your support. Like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.